go. Send it, dogs, yes. Send it. Over this one. And clear, yes. Very well clear. Another one, yes. Power. Forward, over it. Yes. Good work, dogs. Now send it to sea. Here we go. Good rowing. Good. Clean blades. Sending to sea. Up a couple of bumps. Good. Got a good lead. Got a length over the field. Good. Concentrate. I'm trying to lean the boat over. Keep the pressure on. Concentrate, not over muscle it. Here now. Good water. Here we go for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 5. Concentrate now. Coming towards the can shortly. Let's throw it right around hard. Get the weight on, guys. Got a good lead. Massive. Concentrate. Still got to get there yet. Still getting it out this bump. Hard stroke side. And dig. Dig it in. Good turn. Get it around. Pull. Row. Before we go past it. Now we're looking behind me. Got a massive lead. Under you now. Look at this one. Now, guys. It's shit water, but pull. 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 Next one's ours, I'm certain. Oh, fucking Carnival gone past us. Here, this one here. Pull down this one, all you got. Pull, guys. Pull. Again. Hard. Ah. Under you go. Fuck. Where's the flag? Yeah. I see the flag. Keep going, they're gonna go a long way. Keep going. Keep going. Fucking hell, where'd they come from? Keep rowing. Keep rowing. The flag is straight behind you both. Keep rowing. Keep rowing. Still going. Keep rowing. And go, go, go. Go.